Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. So this is the one that folds open horizontally like a tablet. And this is a device that does indeed have the Google account lock on it, because as we're going through the initial setup steps here, we get to the screen that tells us that it was factory reset, and to continue, we have to enter in either the previous security screen pin that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it'll give us that option to log in with the previous Google account that was on it. Now, we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was blocked. And then obviously after the purchase, the buyer didn't have any of the previous user's login info, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in that case, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove the lock from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login information. It's something that we do directly to the phone while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So, as you could see, it was on the Google lock screen, and then I plugged it into my computer program here to run the necessary steps. Now that the phone has restarted, you'll notice that it actually just went straight to the lock screen, thereby totally skipping the entire setup process. And if we go ahead and swipe up on the lock screen there, you can see that it goes directly to the home screen. So we've skipped the entire setup process, we have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and it's just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While I'm here, I'm going to jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we're working with. So under About Phone, we can see that we do have a Z Fold 2, and then that model number there, the F916U1. That's the model number of the Fold 2s that are sold directly by Samsung, either through their stores or through their online websites. So, if you have one of these Fold 2s with the Google lock enabled and need help getting it removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.